Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel JobStem. In today's video, we will going to see a huge opportunity from software jobs and also the core companies. So if you are a fresher or experienced one and completed your graduation in any field, then you can eligible for this role. So let's see the first job offer from Goldman Sachs. So Goldman is currently hiring for ETO PRX Associate Software Engineering and the working location is Bangalore, Karnataka. They require bachelor's degree in computation field or computer science, applied mathematics or in engineering or any discipline. So if you are a graduate in any field, you can eligible for this role. They need some skills like highly skilled in designing and developing server-side applications using Java language and RESTful web services. Also, if you have extensive knowledge of messaging frameworks or building server-side applications using microservice-based architectures, so these are the skills they will expect from you. If you have decent coding skills in Node.js and TypeScript, then you can apply for this role. So that's all for this job. If you are a fresher, you can apply for this role. Let's move towards the next role, which is from SAP, and they currently hiring associate DevOps engineer in Linux. If you are strong in Linux, then you can apply for this job. And they are currently hiring software development operations, and your role is to responsibility for Linux system administration and lifecycle management and diagnosis and troubleshooting of issues in the areas of Linux OS and performance tuning on OS level and monitoring of productively used servers and systems. And the role required is bachelor's or master's or equivalent graduate with experience in Linux administration. Okay, also freshers can eligible for this role. So if you have experience in 6 months to 2 years, they may be prefer you. So here they will give a job segment which what are all the technologies you have to cover is ERP, Linux, SAP, engineer, database technology and engineering. These are the field you have to work, and click on apply now button, then you can apply for this role. Moving towards the next job opportunity, it's from Sony. So they hire product security engineers. So this is the IT job, and they will need some proficiency in programming languages like C and Python, and expert in system security, web security, network security, and in-depth insight on OS internals. And if you have a skill in debugging, decompiling, or disassembling, good understanding of FreeBSD, then your role is to conduct security testing for Sony's products. So you have to testing the product. That's all for this role. And moving towards the next one, which is a UI quality and automation engineering. So it comprises of both UI and UX designing and automation testing. So if you have skills in automation testing and front end part like HTML or CSS, and if you are interested in designing the web pages, then you can definitely prefer the UI and UX designing, because UI and UX designing is currently a trending one, and in future you will be placed with a good amount. So the current location is Telangana and India they are hiring for. And job description, here they give roles and responsibilities like test reusable UI components, modules, applications and US services, or else if you have HTML and CSS skills, and if you have any ideas in web designs, they will prefer you. The education qualification is a bachelor's degree in computer science or STEM majors like science, technology, engineering and math, and experience in web technologies like Angular, JavaScript or TypeScript, HTML, CSS, NPM. So if you are a fresher, you can apply for this role. They don't need any experience, but they prefer a skills. So freshers can apply for this job. And that's all for this role. Then moving towards the next. And the last job is from HSBC. They are currently hiring the trainee for software engineers or enterprise technology. So their location is Pune, India, and if you have interest in technology, they will prefer you. So this is a trainee role, not a permanent job. Suppose if you are performed well in your training, then they will continue you as an employee. So they require some basic skills like if you are self-directed or motivated and keen to learn new skills and approaches, and the knowledge of SQL and big data related technologies. These are the two skills they will expect from you. And if you are a fresher, you can also eligible for this role. They mentioned the closing date of 5th May 2022. So quickly apply for this role and click here to apply to complete the application process. So that's all for this today's video. If you find this video is useful, you can subscribe to this channel And if you have any doubts related to this video, let me know in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Bye.